This is the Viltrox E to Z autofocus lens mount adapter, a new and more budget-friendly option compared to other similar adapters in the market. This low price point makes it an alternative choice for videographers and photographers who want to adapt Sony E-mount lenses to their Nikon Z cameras without breaking the bank. Some of the key features include support for autofocus, allowing you to use the autofocus capabilities of your Sony E-mount lenses on Nikon Z cameras. Transmit EXIF data from the lens to the camera so you have all the information about your shots. You can control the aperture of your Sony E-mount lenses through the Nikon Z camera bodies. The adapter supports lens-based and camera-based image stabilization. The adapter also has a micro USB port for firmware upgrades so you can keep up to date with the latest features and capabilities. The Viltrox E to Z AF lens mount adapter seems to be a compelling option for videographers and photographers looking for affordable ways to use their Sony E-mount lenses on Nikon Z cameras. $99 price tag makes it a more accessible choice compared to other adapters with similar features that cost between $150 to $250. However, as with any adapter, it is critical to do your own test, research, and consider potential limitations, especially regarding autofocus performance with specific lenses. I have added a link down below for Viltrox official list of compatible lenses. So you know, this video is currently being filmed on the Nikon Z8. Attached to it is the Viltrox E to Z adapter and Sigma's 28 to 105 2.8 E-mount lens. What do you think? Will you be getting one for yourself? Until the next video, it's peace.